Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Let's cook. So guys, today I'm going to be making okra soup with spinach leaf. And the first thing I'm going to do is to wash my meat. And the meat I'm going to be using to make this soup is chicken and cow tail. I'm also going to use smoked turkey, but I'm not going to add the smoked turkey yet. So I'm going to wash my chicken and cow tail because the chicken I'm using is the hard one. I'm going to wash it and boil it for at least 40 minutes. Why it's going to take that long is because the chicken is the hard one and the cow tail is also very hard. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put it in the pot. After washing, I'll pour enough water so that that will be enough for it to cook. Then I'm going to add no cubes, onions, and salt to season it. Then I'll just cover the pot for it to cook. So guys, while I am seasoning the meat, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this soup. I have here periwinkle. Guys, this periwinkle is the dried and preserved one. So what I'm going to do is to soak it in water for at least 10 minutes before I add it to my meat. So I'm going to soak it in water for 10 minutes. Then I have washed my okra and cut. My okra is ready to cook. Then I have here a spinach leaf, which I'm going to wash and cut. I have mackerel. I've already washed and cut my mackerel. Then I also have the smoked turkey. So guys, this smoked turkey, because of the preservatives that they used in keeping it okay, I soaked it in hot water for 10 minutes and washed it. So I have done that. Then I have crayfish. I'm going to take some from here. I'm going to take at least 3 spoonfuls of crayfish from here. I'm not going to use all of these. Then I have pepper. This is the number of pepper I'm going to use. I have no cubes here. I've already used 2 no cubes before in seasoning the meat, so I'm going to use these remaining 2. Then I have periwinkle, which I'd already shown you. Then I have palm oil. I'm not going to use all this palm oil. I'm just going to take the quantity that will be enough to make my soup. Guys, as you can see, the chicken and cow tail that I was cooking is almost done. Like, it's so soft now. It's about 30 minutes now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add the smoked turkey into it. Then I'll also add my periwinkle and then allow it to cook for the remaining 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is to add them and then cover the pot and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And the next thing I'll do is to quickly cut my spinach leaf. And then the next thing I'm also going to do is to add my mackerel to the meat. Guys, I didn't want to add my mackerel earlier because I don't want it to scatter. I'm going to add it to the meat and then allow it to cook for the remaining like 3 minutes to make it complete 40 minutes. So guys, as you can see, my chicken, my smoked turkey, my cow tail is all ready, and also the mackerel is ready. So what I'm going to do now is to remove my fish, put in a separate plate, then also remove my meat, put in a separate plate so that I can have my stock in the pot, because that's what I'm going to use to make the soup. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to get a separate pot, but I'm going to use my frying pan. So I'm going to get my frying pan and then add the quantity of palm oil that I'm going to use to make this soup, and then I'll allow it to heat for a little while, for some seconds. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to fry my onions. And then the major thing I'm going to do right now is to start also frying my okra. Guys, I'm going to fry my okra for at least 4 minutes, because I know that at that point it's going to be like slippery. Once it's slippery or smooth, then what I'm going to do is to pour it back into my chicken stock and then I'll stir it for some time. As I'm stirring it, guys, I just noticed that it is very thick, so I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I just added 1 cup of water. Then guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to add my crayfish. I just added 3 spoonfuls of crayfish. And then the next thing is to add my pepper. I had already blended my pepper and I just added the pepper now, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do also, guys, is to add my knorr. You remember I used the other 2 to prepare the the chicken stock, and then right now I'm going to use this remaining 2 to make the soup. So I'm going to add the knorr cubes, and then the next thing also, guys, I'm going to do is to make sure that I pour the meat back. I just poured the meat back and then stir it. Guys, you can see what this soup is beginning to look like. You can imagine how this soup is looking like so cute. So I'm going to stir it. Once I stir it, the next thing I'm going to do is to add my spinach leaf. I'm going to add my spinach leaf, and then the final thing I'm going to do, guys, is to add my fish. Once I add my fish, I'll just cover it and allow it to cook for at least 3 minutes. I'll allow it to cook for at least 3 minutes. And then, guys, this soup is ready. Like, look at this soup. Look at my soup, guys. I'll allow it to cook for these 3 minutes, and then I'll just cover it and allow it to cook, and let's see the outcome, guys. So guys, it is also very important to also note that you can make this okra soup with any leaf, like the bitter leaf. You can also use pumpkin leaf. You can use water leaf, to make okra soup. Then you can also use any meat of your choice to make it. It all depends on what you really want to use, the kind of leaf you want to use. I just decided to make this very one with spinach leaf. Okay, so guys, my okra soup is so ready and it tastes really good. It tastes really good, guys. Just eat with any swallow of your choice, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to press that red button if you like this video. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.